My name's James Cracknell. I'm sprayer driver for Hyde Parker Farms, Melford Estate, along Melford in Suffolk. And I drive a Challenger Rogator 5,000 litre and we're 30-metre booms. We're growing winter barley, spring barley, winter wheat first and second, winter oats and peas. In total, the farm's about 900 hectares, which is 2,000 acres. But at the minute, we're only cropping about 1,200 acres. Typical water rate is 100 to 120, 125 litres, but we're mainly at 100 litres and then 200 litres for pre-Ems. We do have a bowser which comes out for pre-Ems and when we're on liquid fert. The biggest field size we've got is 55 hectares down to 4 hectares. So anything below 5 hectares we're sort of trying to take out and put into environmental. We're RTK based on Green Star antenna. That's all on auto section control. And so once I've gone around the headlands, that's obviously mapped out where it should be and then does its thing itself. Go-to nozzles are the Syngenta High Pro nozzles. We're running 035 Guardian Airs, 035 3Ds. Then for pre-Ems, I'm on 05 Guardian Airs and Defies. Yeah, this is first time entering the competition, and yeah, the farm manager said, I'm going to forward the link to you and you can enter it, and I sort of just laughed and said, yeah, righto. And yeah, he emailed me the link for the competition, and I thought, well, I'll give it a go, see what happens, and yeah, here we are, down to the final 3. So that was a bit of a shock to say the least, but that's quite an achievement, I think, to be here out of all the sprayer drivers in the country that have entered. It would be good to meet the other finalists and then learn how they go about their daily running of a sprayer. So it will all be good to gain valuable knowledge and experience. I've sort of changed the filling area so I've got everything to hand and I'm not walking long distances to put cans on the drain or get cans out the spray store. I have a frame with a dumpy bag in that comes from AgriCycle, and I've got 2 drain racks in front of it that I can then just put the cans straight in. So the less dealing I have with the cans, the better really. Once the bag's filled, that goes off to be recycled, and I have a container for waste of dirty, contaminated PPE that then gets taken away as well. The foils and the caps all go in a bag in a drum that I then put a cable tie around the top, and that goes in the bag with the cans. We've added on a fast fill pipe which goes straight to the tank for the liquid fert. Then I've added an air line down from the main air tank to the next to the induction hopper, and we are in the process of looking into adding a retractable air line to go the length of the boom. So then if I have a blocked nozzle, I can then just reel the pipe out. Instead of bringing the nozzle back to the induction bowl to clean air, I can do it on the boom. I've added mud flaps onto the sides of the boom right behind the wheels to protect the nozzles, and I improved the boom lighting as well.